All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your store settings. How to set up your store address, your payments, and every other settings that are required for the back end of your store. Okay. So to do that, first you come over to your dashboard, and on the left panel you will see WooCommerce. Okay. So you just come down to settings. Okay. So WooCommerce, then settings. All right. So once you come back to settings, you can now edit the information of your store from the settings tab. Okay. Under the general tab, you see the store address. So you can input your address. You can change it, change your state, selling location. All of those are just basic settings you can actually look through and change it however way you like. So you can come over to product. Okay. So your shop page, just leave this as is. All right. Leave every one that you see here as is. Okay. So for shipping, if you want to have I already set up free shipping for entire Nigeria. So if you want to have other shipping zones, you can come over here and actually set it up here. Okay. So if you want in-depth videos on WooCommerce and how to set it up, you can actually check out certain content on YouTube and all, but I'm going to go through most of what you need. So you might actually need more in-depth videos and want to actually learn more as regards setting up WooCommerce and all, but majorly what you need is what I am sharing with you right in this video. Okay. So this is already set up to free shipping. Okay. So if you want to actually set up that in Nigeria, you don't want to charge free shipping, you want to actually charge a flat fee for Nigeria, you can actually edit it. Okay. Instead of free shipping, if you click on edit, then you can come here and say add shipping method, maybe flat rates, and say add shipping method. So the flat rate, you can edit the flat rate and say cost, I want to charge 5,000 naira. Okay. And say save changes. Okay. All right. So this tool would show up when your customers are checking out. So you can decide to turn this off and make sure you're always charging a flat rate. So if you change your mind and you want to come and charge free shipping, and come and turn this on and turn this off. So it's very easy and straightforward. Make sure you save whatever changes you actually make. Okay. So the next thing you want to set up is payment. All right. So depending on how you want to be receiving payments on your website, there are certain payment methods that are available by default. Okay. You have cash on delivery, you have check payments, you have direct bank transfer. So if you want people to be able to pay with bank transfer, cash on delivery, you can set them up. But as a Nigerian merchant, and based on my experience, I would advise you to just set up cash on delivery if you are going to be taking cash on delivery, and then set up pay stack. Okay. So just pay stack. You don't need to set up PayPal. Just pay stack here is already recommended for you. You say get started. Okay. So all you need is set up pay stack and cash on delivery. All right. So for pay stack, you can say enable pay stack. You want to call it debit and credit cards, and test mode. If you are still developing your store, you want to leave it as test mode. So, but once you are done developing your store, you want to take this off. Okay. Then the payment option, you can leave it as pop-up. So then this live secret key and the live public key, I will show you how to get it in a moment. So you want to go to paystack.com. All right. And you want to sign up. You want to create a free account. Okay. So I already have an account. Just go ahead and log in to my Paystack account. All right. So under your account, what you want to do is come over to settings. Okay. Your Paystack account, come over to settings. You see API keys and web hooks. Okay. You see your live public key and your live secret key. Okay, so you want to copy this, your live public key, you want to copy this, come over here, come over to your dashboard and set up your live public key and just paste this here. So for your live secret key, so you just copy, turn this on and copy it and come over here and paste it. And that's all. You'll be set up and good to go. Okay. So you can decide to enable payments via Swift cards. You can decide to, you don't want to check this because you want to only complete the order once you have fulfilled the item. Okay. So, and you don't want to enable split payments. You don't want people to be able to split the payments. You want them to pay once. Okay. So you just go ahead and save the settings. All right. So once you are done with that, people will be able to pay, your customers will be able to pay directly on your website using their credit and debit cards. Is that simple actually? Okay. So then apart from the payment, majorly that's what you need to set up for your WooCommerce. Okay. There are other settings that are available. You can actually go through them, the accounts and privacy. Most of them, we have some default settings that are there that you should just leave as is, but you can actually go through them and customize them. There's no one way to do all of these things. Okay. So very quickly, I want to show you how to set up your product, to add new products, to add new categories and different things like that. So let me come over to products. So if you come over to products, you see all of your products, all of your existing products on your website. Okay. We have added all of these products as demo products, so you can see how they actually work on your website. Okay. So, but want to go ahead and add a sample product. So I'm going to come over here and say add new product. Okay. So let's assume the product you want to add, probably let me just search for a bag, maybe Nike lady shoes. Let me see. Let me check the images. Okay, let's just look for one nice shoe here. Just call this Nike Air Max. Okay, perfect. So I'll download this image. Just save it. And then I'll just copy this text. This is just for, I just want to show you how it is done. And that's why I'm doing this. Okay. For the product now, I'm just going to paste that there. You can decide to name it anything you want. All right. It will generate a permalink. And this permalink is what you can use probably when you're sharing this product on Instagram and you want people to come and purchase directly on your website. So this is the link you would use. Okay. So the product image, you can see set product image, upload files, and select the image we downloaded. All right. So, so the next thing is the product description. So whatever is product description, you want to come over here and type in whatever product descriptions you have. All right. So I'm just going to look for, I already created the dummy text here using ChatGPT. So if you want to learn how you can use ChatGPT to generate content, you can actually check through YouTube. You will see lots of content on ChatGPT. So you can actually check it out. It's actually very useful and it will save you lots of time. Okay. So that's just for the description. So this description will show up here under this description tab. So whatever you input here will show up under this description tab. Okay. So the next thing, the custom tab title, you can leave all of that as is. If you want to actually work with it, it's up to you. So if this is a simple product, probably like just a USB drive that doesn't have a variation, you leave it as a simple product. Okay. And just put in the price. All right. But if you want to say this, because this is a shoe and a shoe definitely has different sizes, you can come over here and say very products. All right. So you can give it an SKU, probably 230, whatever. All of this, all you need, leave all of this as is except attributes. Come over to attributes, all right, and say add new attributes. Okay. So the custom product attribute for this, we are going to say size. Size. And we have, let's assume we have 5 sizes, maybe size 28. If you want to separate it using the straight slash space 29 space 30 space 31 space 32. Okay, let's work with that and save the attributes. Okay. So these attributes, once you have saved this attribute, you want to come over to variations and then say generate variations and say okay. So once you generate variations, it will generate 5 different variations you can now begin to edit. So for size 28, and these variations is what will show up here, that the customer can, choose different options to buy. Okay. For our size, let's assume our size 30 upwards is actually, maybe 35,000. And, we can be running the promo and say we're selling for 33,000 or 32,999. Okay. So for size 30 or for 35,000, 32,999, and say 35,000, 32,999. Size 32, I can even make this 37,000, 33,999. Okay. And for the size 28 and 29, we can say is actually 32,000. We're selling it for 29,999. I'm just trying to demonstrate how to, set up a variable product. You can say 32,000, 29,999. Okay. And once you have done that, we can save the changes. All right. So for the product short description, that's what will display here just below the price. All right. So you can have anything you want to use to market your product and just paste it there. It's very easy. And then if this is in any of the categories that you have listed, you can add it. You can add a new category here just by clicking add new category. And I'll call this maybe sneakers, because there's already shoes here. I just want to show you. You can say it's in fashion, in shoes. You can also call this sneakers and say the parent category is fashion. Okay, and just add to the new category. It's that easy. It's very easy. There's nothing complex about this. If you have more images, you can come here and add product gallery images. In this case, we have just one image. So I'll hit publish. Okay. So once you hit publish, you can actually check out this product we just added by saying view product or clicking on this link. So I click and say view product. So we can see that the product has been set up, and for us to see, to be able to add to carts, it will ask us to choose the product option. So we have to choose size 30. We can see that it's selling for 32,999. If you choose a lesser size, it's actually selling for 29,999. You get the point. Yeah. So it actually makes sense. That being said, you can actually set up, if you want to maybe have this product, maybe you want to link this product probably from your own page. All right. So you can come here and copy the link address and go to your own page or any page you want to link this product from. Like probably you have this button, you want it to link to a particular page, or this button, let's assume this button is actually marketing this new product that we added. So we just say edit with Elementor. And let me let you know that the more you do this, the more proficient you get to it. You don't immediately get proficient from doing it maybe the first or the second time. Okay. So the more you do it, you get better at it, and you keep learning. Okay. So Rome wasn't built in a day, but it's actually achievable and it's nothing too complex. So let's assume we want to say get yours. And for instance, this image is actually the image of this Nike product we already added. So you want to come here from get yours, want to paste the link, all right, and update. Okay. So if we come over here and go back to our home page and we click on this get yours, it would link to this product. Okay, that's amazing, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, that's it for this video. In the very next video, I'll be showing you how we can do some final settings to make our websites ready for the public.